Reading comprehension is the ability to read text, process it, and understand its meaning. Reading comprehension is influenced by the ability to make predictions. The best way to help your child with reading comprehension at home is by reading to him or her and asking them questions about the text. Here are some strategies. Before reading, ask your child what they know about the topic. You can use the cover of the book to help you make questions.
Yo miro que una niña viene al río y el río la...
During the reading, ask your child questions about the main ideas to keep them focused, and then ask them predictions about what will happen next. After the reading, you can ask your child questions by using the comprehension questions on the back of their reading log.
Se quiere brincar como un conejo.
¿Y cómo resuelve el problema?
Que cuando
Ask them to summarize the book in their own words and then to apply it to their own life.
el niño trata como volar.
I hope you find these strategies helpful. Thank you for your partnership in the education of your child.